Sabi ko kapederya.
Malapit sa bahayan.
Yeah, there are three here, three
Okay,
on the other
we're
side
leaving now. See, there's also
too. 3 lanes on the other side.
yeah.
That's why.
Good morning everyone. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Delta. Papunta kami ng Victoria. So the only way we can go there ay magsasakay tayo ng barko. Roro boat. Roro boat. Ayan oh. Ayun ang bangka naming sasakyan. Malayo pa. Ang haba ng pila oh. All the way hanggang doon. Pero bago tayo pumunta doon, tayo muna ay titingin kung mayroong kape. Yan, dito tayo. Medyo malakas ngayon ang hangin, no? Pupunta tayo ng Alan. 2 hours daw bago tayo makarating doon sa Victoria Island. Meron kasi doon famous na garden, pupuntahan natin yon mamaya. Sarado pa tong store na to. Yun. Kasi maaga pa, alas 5 lang ng umaga. So yung mga maglalakbay papunta doon, siguro mga alas 7 ng umaga magbubukas na. So marami palang mga paninda rito. Kaya lang sarado pa sila. It's still early. Tingnan natin dito sa kabila. Meron pa rin dyan palang. There's still another boat on the other side. Ayan. Malaki pala itong lugar na to. Ayan o, mga kanayon. Excited na ako makarating doon sa Victoria Island.
Wow.
Papasok na kami sa barko. Ayun.
Wow.
Kasama pa yung mga truck ng Pasko.
Oo nga, no? Must be. Wow. Oh.
Marami pa.
I thought it's just like easy peasy. It's like, oh.
Ramp load limit 5,000 kilos.
Oh, look at that.
10 cars is
Lots of
loaded
them.
Wow, too many of us.
That's the ramp. All the way.
Oh, malayo pa ang ano, no?
Ayan, barko.
Victoria. Going to Victoria. Park. That's how we should park in. Ayan. We're gonna go roll on.
That's nice. We'll have signal.
Pasok, pasok.
Oh my.
To the left, to the left, to the right. They give us direction. Oop.
Pointed to you and down. Deck number 3.
That's how big this
Roll.
roro boat.
Yes,
There.
roll off.
All cars is inside now. Here we go.
Oh, we're inside the ano now?
Yeah.
This is it?
Yeah.
Wow!
And there's more where that came.
Buying something?
Coffee for your dad.
Okay, we are leaving now. Palis na kami. Ayan. Palis na yung barko. Mukhang mabilis ang takbo ah. Tingnan natin nung wow. Oh. Restricted pala dito. Hindi tayo makakapunta. Woo! Very cold. Babayu! Babayu, Vancouver! See you, Victoria! Okay, let's go around. We'll check it out. How it goes. Ayan o. Okay ng barko. So I'll give you a tour over this rowboat. Oh, sorry. Oh, Kamandi.
Nandito ka pala.
Nag-tutor lang ako. Huh? We'll see. Oh, you cannot go out. No, you can't. There's no other way. Maybe to the other side. We'll check the other side of the boat. Super deep oh. Let's go to the other side. Ah, this one you can see everything. Ayun, doon tayo galing. Ayun si Uncle, Uncle. Okay. How about you?
Exhaust pa lang.
Thank you very much.
Meron kayong nakuha ang ano. Okay, that's it. Okay, so punta naman tayo sa baba para makita yung
Dalawa na dalawa.
oh. Bilis ng takbo.
Oh, nalapian.
Good morning, passengers. This is Matthew from the train. The company to Captain Hospital Group. Would like to welcome you on board on the Queen of Johnson. This is departure tower bird.
Baba tayo dito.
Our estimated time of arrival for Port Bay Terminal. Gonna be 0735. 0735. Estimated time of arrival for Port Bay Terminal. Thank you for your attention and listen for the following important safety announcements.
Okay, let's go and eat. Dito naman tayo sa kainan. Yan, oh, puno na yung kainan dito sa Coastal Cafe. Oops, sorry.
Okay.
We're good. This one is this.
Tawag ko na. Tawag ko na. Kaso hintay lang din dito.
Arby, this one, this one.
Sabi ko kapeteria.
Na ano?
Ito naman may men's washroom.
Yes. Oh no, we're doing it.
May store pa din pala dito sa loob. Pwede kang bumili. Ayun, oh. Talagang kahit saan mayroong gastos eh. Ayan, oh. You can buy souvenir. Souvenir. Yan, oh. May souvenir pa. Queen of New Minister. Ayan. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. I think ito lang ang pwede natin puntahan. O sige. Pupunta naman natin mamaya yung pag malapit na tayo sa Victoria. Para makita natin yung ganda ng Victoria. Malapit sa kabahayan. Island. Marami palang pairing naglalakbay dito, oh. Those are going back to Vancouver.
Ma'am, your attention please. This is a passenger announcement. Please, the driver of a black Cadillac Escalade parked on our upper vehicle deck, license plate CH4904. When that driver, please return to your vehicle and deactivate your alarm permanently. You may do so by manually locking your vehicle and not using your key fob. Or refer to your owner's manual. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated by your fellow passengers, their pets, and their
Easy ferry. Malakas ang hangin dito. Oh, sinaulan. Eto, oh, malapit na kaming dumaong dito sa maulang Victoria. It's very very cold. And it's raining. Ayan, oh, umuulan. Hindi pala kami makakapaggala sa Butchart Garden. Yung plano naming maggala ay magpupurnada pa dahil umuulan. We're getting closer to the dock. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this tour sa barko.
No, it's not like that. Going to Victoria.
Going to Victoria, BC. Dito sa Canada.
One of the
Ayan.
islands.
So, looks like hindi kami makakapamasyal dito sa
It's raining.
sa Butchart Garden kasi
Butchart, yeah.
Butchart Garden na purnada ng aming pamamasyal dito na ulan. Tingnan natin yung baba na lang. Ayan. Oh, galing. Ayan, oh. Kitang-kita yung ating dadaungan. Okay, so pupunta na kami dun sa aming sasakyan.
Going down.
Going down ng size.
So it's easy for us to come out.
Okay. Sa may
The way we actually came in earlier,
yeah.
so we just have to go down. Yeah.
No, but one more. Okay. Mawasan muna kami.
Daddy and I did just
Ito, so we're leaving now.
this one. Oh, we go to the next one.
Lapit na kaming dumaong sa barko.
Yeah, there are three here, three
Okay,
on the
we're
other side
leaving now. See, there's also
3 lanes on the other side.
Yeah.
That's why. Excuse me. Oh, boy.
Imagine all cars in a boat.
We should have asked check how many cars
Tesla
can this
pa.
boat, ferry
Hmm?
accommodate.
We'll ask them next time. This is first in, last out.
Philo.
Here we go. Here we go.
Oh, we're third in a row. Wow.
Babayu. Babayu, Westminster.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Land.
Wow! Reverse mo naman si Dan para kita tayo sa loob. Hello. Hello, hello.
Sunny Victoria.
Yeah. Sunny Victoria.
Yun.
is also pretty good.
Sasakay naman yung
True lane.
nasa sa left lane.
True lane. Oh, they're going to Vancouver now.
Yeah.
All the way back. Wow.
With motorcycle. True lane.
Imagine, it'll take 4 hours from Vancouver to get here.
Yeah. I had to go back every week in March because I was practicing for my driver's test.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's how you
Got
do.
really annoying. Going back and forth, especially if your mom because if I couldn't get a ride here, then I had to bus for 2 hours just to go back to my house. So I'd have to
Yeah.
So where are we now? Are we in Victoria now?
We're in Victoria.
Your mom's present.
Okay, we are in Victoria now.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, we're more so in Sydney now. Victoria is more down.
Ah, so this,
So this is more Sydney area, I would say. My friend lives around here. She moved out of her parents' house.
yeah. 30 kilometers from here is Victoria,
Yeah.
Sydney, yeah. Sydney and then Victoria.
Yes, this is Swartz Bay.
I thought as
Okay.
soon as you get off, that's Victoria. It's
No, we have to
not.
drive in. I live in Langford, so it's even lower. It's even further south. Yeah, so we're
Kind
all
of
the way
wet
here. This is
and raining.
Victoria, and that's
Oh.
where I'm from. So every time I'd bus, or every time I had to come home, I'd have to take the bus, take the SkyTrain, and then take the ferry, and then take the bus back to my house.
This is such sticky weather.
I know. This is why I was depressed every time I drove to.
So most of the young generation in Victoria leaving Victoria.
It's asking if most of the young ones left Victoria, left the islands.
Not any of my friends.
Oh.
I would say a lot of people who I know actually.
Stay back? Come back?
No, they stayed. They never left.
Oh,
They don't leave. Because they're all losers.
they stay in Victoria.
They just stay living with their parents